Today we are discussing very simple problems. Let's move to the problems. The first question, 3 points A, B and C lie in a uniform electric field E of 5 into 10 raised to 3 Newton per Coulomb as shown in figure. Find the potential difference between A and C. Okay, so this is the question given. So when we look in the question, look at these 2 points A and B and C. Actually, we are supposed to find the potential difference between A and C. Look at B and C. Is there any similarity between the 2 points? Actually, those 2 points are equipotential points. Because if you imagine a plane perpendicular to the plane of electric field, you will get the points B and C to be lying in that plane. So such a plane only we call as equipotential surface. So B and C, they lie on equipotential surface and they are equipotential points. So B and C are equipotential. Okay, now which equation we need to use to solve this problem? That equation, no, E is equal to minus delta V by delta L. Here we use that equation in this form. E is equal to minus delta V by delta X. I told in different forms we will be using the same equation. So potential difference between A and C will be the same as the potential difference between A and B. So once again we will go to that diagram. So potential difference between A and C, that's what we are supposed to find. So that is the same as the potential difference between A and B, because B and C are at the same potential. So applying in our equation, so our expression is E is equal to minus delta V by delta X. That delta X becomes that delta X. Delta X is that distance of that side AB. Okay, and electric field is given, so we get delta V as minus E into delta X. So substituting, we get the expression as minus 200 volt. So once again, that distance is not directly given. That distance in this diagram, this distance AB is not given, and actually our delta X is what? Delta X is this AB. So how will you get that AB? By using Pythagoras theorem. 5, 3. So this is obviously what? 4. That triangle, no, simplest Pythagorean triangle. So 3, that distance will be 4 centimeters. So using that equation, we can easily find the answer to that question. That is minus 200 volt. Hope it is clear. Similar question. A test charge Q is moved without acceleration from A to C along the path from A to B and then from B to C in the electric field E as shown in figure. Calculate the potential difference between A and C. At which point of the two is the electric potential more and why? So here electric field is not given, it's given only E. Okay, the coordinates of the points, 3 points are given. So you are asked to find the potential difference between A and C. So what will be the potential difference between A and C here? Delta X will be what? This AC. AC comes as delta X. So what is delta X? A has coordinate 60 and C has coordinate 20. So that distance is 4 centimeter. Okay. So our expression, the same equation, that is E is equal to minus delta V by delta X or minus dV by dx. So substituting, we have the potential difference as Vc minus Va equal to 4 times E. Here electric field is not given. So 4 times E. So what does it mean? Vc is greater than Va. Vc is greater than Va. Okay. If Vc minus Va equal to 4E, so Vc is greater than Va. So which is at higher potential? C. The point C is in the higher potential. One more thing, that is, we know already, that is electric field is in the direction in which potential decreases. So in which direction the potential is decreasing? In the diagram you look, this is the direction of electric field. So in that direction potential decreases. So A is at a lower potential compared to C, or C is at a higher potential. That way also you can answer that question. Okay. Next question. An electric dipole of length 2 cm is placed with its axis making an angle of 60 degree to a uniform electric field of 10 raised to 5 Newton per Coulomb. If it experiences a torque of 8 root 3 Newton meter, calculate the magnitude of the charge on the dipole and potential energy of the dipole. So this question is very simple. We know the expression for what? We know potential energy, we know that expression for torque, we know the expression for what? Dipole moment, everything we know. Okay, and from the known data we are asked to find the magnitude of charge and potential energy of the dipole. So first of all, the torque is given. Okay, so the dipole length is given, the angle made by the dipole with the electric field theta equal to 60 degree, that also is given. So using the equation tau equal to PE sin theta, we can calculate charge. Okay, P is 2AQ, A we know, Q we don't know. So we will get Q to be 8 into 10 raised to minus 3 Coulomb. Now next part, potential energy is asked. Very simple, minus PE cos theta, theta is 60 degree. Substituting, we will get minus 8 joules. Another similar question. An electric dipole of length 4 cm, when placed with its axis making an angle 60 degree with uniform electric field, experiences a torque 4 root 3 Newton meter. Calculate magnitude of electric field, potential energy of the dipole if the dipole has a charge plus or minus 8 nanocoulomb. So here the question is to find electric field. Okay. So we use the same equations, that is tau equal to PE sin theta. So E is equal to tau by P sin theta. So we will get 2.5 into 10 raised to 10 Newton per Coulomb. And potential energy, the same equation we will use, and we will get the answer minus 4 joule.